Elderly couple see son has turned his basement rec room into a refurbished suite for them both to live in. As our parents hit the age of what's considered elderly, we all start to think about living options for them. We want them to be safe in their own home, but if that isn't a possibility, then we have to consider senior living. This is easier said than done, as most elderly care homes are expensive, and even if we can afford them, most of us wonder if they're getting the right care. When Sean's parents entered their golden years, he noticed that they were getting more and more frail and started to wonder about alternative living arrangements for them. Bonnie and George Miller, both aged 87, were becoming forgetful, and Bonnie had a fall and broke her shoulder. Sean was so worried about them, he knew he needed to act fast. Then he came up with a solution that left both his parents in tears when they were shown their new space. Sean worried about his dad, whose mind had started to slip, and his mom was in a wheelchair after suffering a fall. The devoted son from Bremen, Ohio, really didn't want to put them in a nursing home, so with his wife Jenny, they started to explore different options. One can't live alone without the other, and we didn't want either one to end up in a nursing home, Sean said. Sean said when his mom broke her shoulder in a fall, they considered moving to a house with a mother-in-law suite. When the caring couple couldn't find anything, they came up with the sweetest plan for their aging parents. We decided to blow a hole in the basement wall, get rid of our fun stuff like pool table, instruments, and karaoke area, and move them in so we can take care of them, Sean explained. Sean's thoughtful conversion for his parents is heart-melting. See the moment the couple first see their new space, and everyone's in tears. Sean and Jeannie are wonderful examples of how we should all do what we can for our parents. After all, the sacrifices they've made for us. Please share this heartwarming story with your friends and family.